Girl. Yo, guys, like and subscribe. You know we come with good content, daily life. 5 kids, family of 7. We about to get some breakfast done. Let's get it. We have the air fryer here, okay? We got our sausages here from Walmart. What I like about these, they are pre-molded out, okay? And this air fryer from Phillips is a beast. We cook everything in it. Anything that can fit in there, it will come out the best, in my opinion. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these sausages we got from Walmart in here at 330 for about 13 minutes. And they come out really, really good, guys. For the kids, like I said, we got 5 kids. We have to keep things pushing. You can fill this up much as you need to. Like I said, it's a Phillips air fryer. I have no complaints on it. And I think the kids love it too. Hey, so we got some Lego my Eggos. You know what I mean? We had the sausages going like I just showed you earlier. So we got a whole bunch of these little waffles from Costco, like under $8. We got 5 packs of 12 of these. I'm telling you, come up at Costco, man. I'm telling you, the deals are amazing. So what we're gonna do, because we're in a pinch for time, we got stuff to do today, we're gonna just throw them in a toaster. Why not? We're gonna go ahead and put it down. We got a Hamilton Beach toaster here. It's only gonna take 1 minute for that to pop up and we're good. We're just gonna keep it pushing. Breakfast is gonna be done in a total time of 15 minutes. So I got you guys an idea to boom, 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 knock out breakfast. Like I said, 5 kids, family of 7. All right, man, we are finally done. It only took 15 minutes, but hey, breakfast is ready to be served to these kids. You know, the kids can eat. They get greedy, but hey, our kids are. We all been a kid before. So we got the sausages done. Look at that nice color on there. We got all the sausages done now. And we're just plating it up. You see how quick that was? Breakfast is served and ready. It's time to eat. Let's dig in, y'all.